Hello, so I'm here on this beautiful sunsetty evening, ready to install a nuke into a beehive. We had some really windy conditions yesterday and today, and it's finally calm enough, so I decided to wait until the evening. Most of the bees should be back in the hive, so it's a pretty good time to do it. I am pretty well suited up and I have my smoker going. The last time I handled these bees, they were pretty aggressive, so I think they're just pretty agitated from bringing them home. It was a pretty hot day, and I think it's a pretty healthy colony, so they're needing more space for sure. So we'll get on in there. I have my hive box ready, and what I'll do is I'll just pretty much take the frames out of the same position they are now and put them into the new box. So hopefully they're a little bit nicer to me this time, because they were actually quite aggressive the other day. Okay, so we'll go ahead and get started. I have frames in here, so you're going to put 5 in. I'm adding 5 frames. I don't do in-hive feeders. I don't like how many bees drowned, so I do something different. So I have 3 frames that have some foundation started, so they're waxed. If you were to have frames that were full of honey, you'd want to do 2 honey frames on the outside, and then you're going to get some additional either empty or frames with foundation on, more towards what you're putting in here for the brood. So we'll do honey on the outside, or if you don't have any honey frames, you can just do empty or waxed or foundation frames. And then I'm going to take the frames out of the nuke box and put them in the exact order that they're coming out of the box. And I'm going to do a quick scan just to make sure I see my queen. Because it is getting dark, I'm not going to spend too much time. Tomorrow I'll open it back up briefly to add some sugar. My smoker seems to have gone out, which is really unfortunate. Okay, well, we might really agitate them here. Do a quick check to make sure the queen's not in here, because I didn't see her in the frame. Chances are she's not, but oh, very mad sisters. Very, very mad. I want to switch me. Pretty good.
mixer box up here. This is where I'll add the sugar water tomorrow.